Okay, so building a website in 2025 is just a pain. I know so many people in my personal life that want to launch a business and they focus so much time on building a website before they even have a service or a product to offer. You do not want to be that person. So if you want to launch a business or you have an existing business and you need a website, this platform makes it extremely easy to do so, building it with AI. Using Durable, you can actually build a website within 30 seconds using AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it and customize it extremely quickly so you can launch your business in 2025. With all that out of the way, let's dive into this. All right, so first things first, inside of Durable, I'm going to come in, I logged into my account, make sure you sign up for an account, and I'm going to click create business. And what we do here is we then just need to input this information into this form and it will help create a template for us in order to structure our website. So business name, let's think of a use case and a specific kind of website that I want to generate. Let's say we want to generate something for a real estate company. So let's just call this Arizona Real Estate Group. Describe the business. So obviously I'm just going to write this in here. Okay, so real estate agency in Arizona. We specialize in high-end properties that we have listed to buy or rent. Okay, so I also added, we focus on home buyers who want to buy a vacation home to have themselves or rent for short-term stays. So I had a little bit of complexity here to see kind of if it's able to structure this and add this to the website accordingly. So location, I'm going to say Scottsdale, Arizona. Website language, English. Replicated design of any existing website. That's pretty cool. So if I already had a website built, I could just like replicate it. So if you're building websites as an agency or something, which this is a great opportunity to do so, you could just like have a template for a business and then literally it will just create that template and then just change this information right here specific to each different business. So that's cool. Let's create business. And now it should actually go ahead and build our website for us. So I actually saw somewhere that Durable says it could build your website in 30 seconds or under 30 seconds. So it actually did build this in under 30 seconds. Let me check and see what it looks like. We're definitely gonna have to make changes to this. I mean, I could show you how to do that. It's really easy, but the fact that it builds a website in 30 seconds is great. And then also, you could see we have this full dashboard here, which is another one of the amazing things about this platform that I really enjoy. We have obviously the website, we have the marketing. So we could create social posts on Facebook, Instagram, and X. We could, we have a CRM here that is custom to each of our clients. We have invoicing, we have a brand kind of template here. And then we have agents as well, which is like SEO specialist, content specialist, all this stuff. So it's not just a website builder. It's kind of a full suite of all these different tools you need in order to manage a website for either you or for a client. All right, so I just click generate website and it's currently generating and it did say it will do it in under 30 seconds. There we go. That was just about 30 seconds. You could see it now has this website that honestly looks really good based off the first kind of prompt that we gave it. This is really good. I'm pretty impressed with this. If we come up to the top, you could see it actually has images in the background that it's actually circulating through. These are actual images inside of Arizona, which is cool. Discover unparalleled luxury in Maricopa's County's most exclusive rental homes. Obviously, what we could do is we could click on any of these aspects here and change this. So if we don't want to obviously have this text, maybe it's not specific to our business, it's not the correct information, we could click regenerate it. We could simplify it, optimize for SEO. That's pretty cool. The AI features on this platform are honestly mind-blowing and pretty useful actually. So let's just simplify that writing there and then see what it gives us. So there we go. It just made our subtext here a bit more punchier, which is really cool. We could click on this. I believe we could change the style of it. So style 1, style 2. Oh, it looks like it's changing the style of the buttons. So there we go. That's awesome. Let me scroll down to the bottom of this. Actually, one other thing here, we could actually regenerate the images. So that's cool. However, I do like what it actually gave us. So you can see we have a new section here. We could add a section if we want. So we could customize this as much as we want, but this is just the initial, again, this initial prototype of a website that it built us. So here we go. Indulge in Maricopa's exclusive getaways. Obviously, these are just like stock images that I got from the internet. So if we wanted to add our own actual property images, we'd need to feed this to our kind of AI assistant on here, and it would then update all of these images for us. So there we go. We'd obviously need to make this functional. So essentially when you click on this, it then sends you to, the actual property listings. And then it also shows like all the different brands that we work with. So you could click on this. We could add different logos here to show credibility. So essentially, depending on if you're an agency or something, you could then add all the different companies you've worked with and have that on a banner here. Hear from our happy guests. So I like that it actually added this. It's very intuitive and it knows knows what a real estate property website should look like. That's the great part about this. We don't need to break it down and tell it every little detail we need to make this thing look good. It already knows that we need to add, information from our happy guests in order to increase conversions of people actually wanting to work with our company. And then it even added a lead collection form here, which is pretty great. So guys, this is really good so far. However, I'm not a fan of this green style here. So let me go ahead and see if I could restyle this and see kind of what it gives us here. Okay, so I actually clicked restyle and it restyled this whole little section. So that looks cool. It definitely changed the header here. Instead of it being over here, it added it there. I think that looks pretty cool. It still has the green effects here, which let me go ahead and see how I could customize this. Let's just go to colors. Oh, so we could change the color palette to whatever we want. So let's go ahead and go with more Arizona type colors. I feel like this fits. Oh, there we go. That looks much better. That kind of fits the landscape of Arizona with stone and the rocks. This looks great. Okay, let me see what else we could actually customize here and how easy it is. Okay, keywords. You could see I'm on the free plan here, but if we come to durable, let's take a look at their pricing. Okay, so it looks like $12 a month for the starter plan, $20 for the business, which I bet you could start with just a $12 plan. It looks like there's automated SEO, so we would have that included, but it looks like it understands the keywords that we want to rank in. So if you know anything about SEO, it's essential to get views to your website. So whenever people search on Google or in the future, ChatGPT or whatever large language model engine will use, it will then rank higher on that so your website gets viewed more. So if you look up Airbnb properties in Arizona, that is kind of how SEO works. So we could then, have it optimize certain things on the website for that SEO, which is actually an amazing feature. Okay, so one thing is I want more rounded corners. And if I come over to these other styles here, we could change that. So let's choose a size of rounded corners for your website. Let's just do medium. Done. And then let's save this. And then it should generate those with the rounded corners. Okay, so now I'm clicking on the preview and this is what our site would look like when it's live. So here we go. Looks great. Oh, here we go. Here's the rounded corners. Okay, so you can see it added these rounded corners here. And this looks great. The photos look awesome. I like the rounded corners aspect. And that was as simple as me just editing one little thing. Again here. Guys, this website looks really good for literally less than 5 minutes of my time. I wrote in a basic prompt of what I was trying to build and it built it out. Again, we could add and edit anything we want here. We could then go to the tablet and see what it looks like on an iPad or something. Amazing. This looks awesome, guys. And then on the iPhone as well. The layout for that looks like, honestly, a professional website. It looks like I paid somebody money to build me a website. And one thing I really want to touch on, guys, is so many people waste time building a website for their business. If you have an idea for a business or you just launched a business and you're spending a ton of time on your website before even getting clients or customers, you're wasting your time. And Durable makes it extremely easy to build a website for yourself, get something up and out there. So that way you could then, go ahead and try to get clients. And that alone makes this platform worth it. Just the ease of use in order to get a website up and running. Last thing I want to touch on in this video, I'm not going to dive deep into this. Maybe I will in a coming video, but I want to show the other features. So we have the marketing tab here. We don't only just have websites that we could build. We have marketing. So we could actually create certain posts. It looks like we need to upgrade to do that. CRM as well. We could add different contacts here and keep track of all of our customers. So say we add a contact form on the website, which we actually added, you could see here. It then collects all this information. And then instead of having this sent to a different CRM, we have a CRM that's built in natively into Durable. So that is really cool. We could obviously invoice them, send them an email, add them to an email list, all of that amazing stuff, as well as invoicing. So if you run, say an agency, for example, you could invoice directly on the website instead of having to use something like Stripe. AI agents, I actually haven't dove into what this feature is too much, but you could see SEO specialists. We could optimize our website with SEO content autonomously, which is really cool. Content strategist, so we could hire an AI powered consultant in order to kind of come up with our content strategy, all of that stuff. No human required. It's just all AI. So there we have it, guys. This is Durable. We built an amazing website in just under 10 minutes. This is a cool platform you guys to use. If you guys want to launch a website real quickly, this is the best way to do it with AI. So if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and sign up with Durable. I'll see you guys in the next video.